Grant Hudson, a journey from homeless to multimillionaire mentor and innovator in a world that often glamorizes overnight success stories. Grant Hudson's journey is a testament to the power of resilience, strategic planning, and a relentless pursuit of financial freedom. From sleeping on the beach at the age of 17 to becoming a self-made millionaire by 25, Grant's story is nothing short of inspiring. Early struggles and advertising triumph. Grant's entrepreneurial spirit ignited at a young age when he found himself sleeping on the beach. Determined to change his circumstances, he established his own advertising agency. By the age of 25, he had achieved the remarkable feat of making his first $1 million within 1 year, setting the stage for the extraordinary success that would follow. Diversifying investments, property mogul, and stock market guru. Grant's journey didn't stop at advertising. With an innate understanding of the real estate market, he ventured into property development, creating a portfolio worth over $60 million. Simultaneously, his prowess in the stock market, honed over 28 years, led to consistent success, establishing him as a seasoned investor. Mastering asset protection by creating the safest discretionary trust with over 27 years' experience. Balancing business and spirituality. A unique collaboration with the Dalai Lama. Grant's life isn't just about financial success. He believes in achieving a harmonious balance between business and spirituality. His collaboration with the Dalai Lama resulted in a book that explores the delicate art of balancing material prosperity with a deeper sense of purpose. Philanthropy and leadership. CEO and Director of Charities. Grant's success extends beyond personal gain. For 17 years, he served as the CEO and Director of Charities dedicated to supporting children with life-threatening illnesses and fostering the growth of indigenous businesses. His commitment to philanthropy showcases a holistic approach to success that goes beyond monetary achievements. Innovating for a sustainable future. Solar electric supercar and yacht. Grant's passion for innovation is evident in his recent projects, including Australia's first solar electric super yacht valued at $4 million. As a testament to his commitment to sustainable technology, he is also pioneering the world's first solar electric supercar. These projects reflect his dedication to a future where success coexists with environmental responsibility. Visit us at our website to find out more.